Hi guys, this is Los Furukawa and welcome to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia! Ayan o, isang malaki paikot, kitang-kita mo yung buong Kuala Lumpur dito. So where are you from?
Austria, Germany.
Austria. So you're doing a vacation here?
Yes, right.
Guys, so napakaraming nagpipicture taking. So pipicture taking muna tayo dyan before tayo pumasok sa